Are you thinking of moving to Pensacola, that is near the Navy base? Well, today I am going to tour a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that also has a 15 amp RV hookup and a separate car garage that you could use for storage or use to park your car in. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So if you are looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath that is near the Navy base and is also close to Perdido Key, this house may be exactly what you are looking for. It is a 2-car side entry garage, does have a separate 15 amp RV hookup. So as we come into the front door, there is the dining room off to the side. We do have a tile foyer. We've got the high ceilings, recessed lighting, and the LVP flooring. In the living room, there is the gas fireplace, and the office, or could be used also as the 4th bedroom, is right off the living room. Does have the plant ledge. And then as we go through the living room, there is a breakfast nook. There's a door to take you out to the back patio. It is covered. We'll take a walk out there as well. In the kitchen, you do have a snack bar. Also the plant ledge. It goes through to the formal dining room with the chair rail. The plant ledge over the dining room as well. The laundry room is off the kitchen. And the 2-car garage. It is a side entry. This is tile, and we go into the main bedroom that has the LVP flooring. Does have the tray ceiling. The main bedroom is in the back of the house. There is a separate door to take you out to the covered patio. And the main bathroom does have a double vanity and a separate shower and garden tub, or jetted tub. And the walk-in closet. This is a split floor plan. The main bedroom is on one side of the house and the rest of the bedrooms are on the other side. So we'll take a walk out to the patio. So the covered patio does have the vinyl on the outside. There's fans as well, and there is the door to go to the main bedroom. There are also 2 screen doors to go on each side. That is the separate garage for your lawn equipment, or it is also big enough to put a car in there. So there's enough room in the backyard if you wanted to add a pool. The screened-in patio is about 15 by 24. There is also another door in the living room to have the office, which can be also a bedroom for bedroom number 4. And it does have 2 separate doors to it. So bedroom number 2 is in the front of the house. It does have a Jack and Jill. So it is connected to bedroom number 3. And each bedroom does have its own vanity. And there is a tub shower combo that the bedrooms do share. It does come through bedroom number 3. This is in the back of the house, and this is the bedroom that has the door that goes to the patio. So if you are considering moving to Pensacola, that is near the Navy base and Perdido Key, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.